In this video, I'm going to show you how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. Now, for us to get this done is actually pretty simple. We're going to head over to our profile and I'm going to show you the visitors of my profile recently. So I'm just going to tap this one right here and you should be able to see them. So yeah, these are the people who have recently visited my profile. And say, for example, you're going to visit other people's profile. Basically, you are going to see them just like this. They will be able to see who have visited their profiles. Now, in order for you to be able to visit their profile without them knowing, you have to turn this off. And to do that, you're going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then you're going to turn it off just like so. And then hit the close button right there. So if you are going to check here at the third one, it says only viewers who turn on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. In our case, since we turned it off, they should not be able to see us viewing their profile anymore. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.